Good day, everyone. My name is Filipp Peresadilo, and right next to me is Tolmeijer. In this video, we want to give you a short presentation about the application we have made for the Semantic Web course, which was given at the VU University in Amsterdam. In this course, for the final project, it was the goal to create a semantic web application with the data we have got from the Times Higher Education ranking list. And our idea was to link the data about the universities to their alumni and to the companies they have started their career. So for the technical story, first we have created an ontology with all the relevant concepts, just like the people, the alumni, that is, the universities themselves, and the field of expertise. And well, of course, we have linked our ontology with existing ontologies like DBpedia for the information about the people, and geonames for information about, well, geographical information. So the second step, we set up a MySQL database and extracted the data to match our ontology. And after that, we used Joseki and Sparkle to query DBpedia and geonames, and used construct queries to store the information in a way that, well, matched our own ontology. And finally, we have created what you see here. That is our application. We built it in HTML5 and used ERC2 to create a Sparkle endpoint which was located on the same server. So enough about the technical story. Well, let's demonstrate our application. So this application, well, is a semantic web application to discover all the alumni who have studied at one of the top universities in the Times Higher Education ranking. And well, you can search for universities, for people, and for companies. So let's try a person first. Let's try Neil deGrasse Tyson. He is one of the personal heroes of Chris, so well, let's try him first. Well, what we see here on the left is a personal page about Neil deGrasse Tyson with the universities he has studied and, well, a bit of general information about him. And on the right is the location of the university he studied. Well, he studied at 3 different universities, and in this case, well, I see Harvard University is selected. So from this page, it's very easy to select and click on Harvard University to go to a different kind of page. Well, these are the pages about the universities. So here also general information is given, but also a list of all the alumni. So this is a quite large list, as we can see. So besides searching for people and universities, it's also possible to search for companies. Well, let's try Apple. Not very original, but let's try it out. Well, we see here Tim Cook. Well, Steve Jobs is obviously not listed because he didn't actually graduate. So we see here Tim Cook, and if we select and click on his name, we see some information about him. So obviously the company he has worked, and also the university he has studied. So with this semantic web application, it's very easy to search for people to see where they have studied and at which companies they have started their career or which organizations they have worked at. And we hope with this presentation that we have given you a small view about what you can do with semantic web technologies. And we're very curious, and we welcome you to try the same thing and to see what things you could, what kind of applications you could create. And yeah, a link of our application will be posted underneath this video. And we hope we have well, given you a short introduction in semantic web technologies.